Now I want to share this trading setup with you. Okay, now this is Euro NZD, and we have spoken about this guy in one of our previous videos. That I think in the last one. Okay, we analyzed the charts for this guy. Okay, so at that time the market was around here. Okay, just formed this, and I was projecting that it's going to come and retest this trend line, of which it came and actually broke. Okay, but I said it's going to come and retest and then sell, and then probably break this what do we call it, this neckline. Okay, because this is a head and shoulder, remember, this is a head and then these are the two shoulders, and then this is the neckline, right? So it's going to break the neckline and then retest, then I'm going to sell. Okay, and then that's exactly what it did here. You can see that after it's formed the heads and shoulders, it came and then bought and then even broke here and kind of retraced to this Fibonacci level. Let me just take my Fibonacci tool and try drawing from here. Now you can see that this is a Fibonacci level, right? So it came and retraced to this Fibonacci level and then came and broke the neckline. So this is a clear break of the neckline. And if I take my Fibonacci level and draw okay, from this place to this place, we can see that this is now our 50% retracement and then 61% retracement, and then this is basically the region of the neckline, right? Because this is the neckline. Okay, this is the neckline, right? This is the neckline, and this is basically the region of the neckline. Okay, so my estimation is that the market will come and retest this region before selling. So I'm going to put a pending order at this region, a sell limit. Okay, so let me just take this guy to okay, let me bring it here. Okay, so I'm selling here and my stop loss will be around here. So my stop loss is 95 pips. Okay, and then my take profit will just be around here. Let's see, times 2.3 of my stop loss. Okay, and double click, and let me just kind of do the position sizing, Euro NZD. Okay, and then my stop loss, sorry, not $14,000, $1,000. Then my stop loss is okay, my risk percentage is, let's say, 3%, and my stop loss is 95 pips. So 95 pips, and when I calculate, we see that I am to use 0.05 lots. Okay, 0.05, and I'll be risking $30. Okay, so we'll go back here and cancel this for a bit, and yeah, let me just increase my stop loss a bit to this point. Okay, I like to make my stop losses very big. Okay, I like to make my stop losses very big. The aim is not to enter with big lot sizes, okay, but I want to really hit my stop loss. If I hit my stop loss, it becomes very rare. Okay, yeah, so that's why I tend to make my stop losses very big. So let's just adjust this to, let's see, 110. Okay, let's just make it 110, 110, and then 0.04. So I'm just going to place the pending order with 0.04 lots. Okay, then looking at the news today, we can see that all of them came in the favor of the US dollar, but unfortunately something happened. Okay, I was stopped out on gold. And I'm just going to go and show you what happened later on. I just want to get this straight. yeah, this particular trade setup. I just want to get it straight first. So I'm estimating that it's going to retrace to this point, and then we're going to sell here. So I'm not going to buy to this point. I'm not going to buy. I want to be careful this time. I want to just sell here. Okay. And remember, we are trading the direction of the trend. So the overall direction of the trend is sell, right? This is the overall direction of the trend, and we can see that all the setup is very nice. Okay. So we just wait for a retracement before we enter our sell. Okay, so my pending order will be here. So this is the entry price. Okay, entry price, copy, and this is Euro NZD, right? So go to my trading platform, and yeah, you can see that the balance reduced. Okay, we lost some trades, particularly gold. Okay, so this gold went out in a loss, and then USD card USD card ended in a loss also. I shouldn't have taken that trade, but yeah, it actually kept selling, and I feel it's presently at a Fibonacci level, but I am not going to enter. I want to be stricter this time. I want to be more strict this time. So let me just keep this guy first and show you what I'm talking about on USD card. So for USD card, we can see that it kept selling, and what I want. Okay, sorry. Okay, it wasn't USD card I was looking at that I made that analysis, but I'm going to come to USD card later on. So let me just go and place my trade. So Euro NZD, where is it? Euro NZD. Just select and double click and entry price, copy, and then come on my trading platform. Okay, and create a new trade. And this is Euro NZD. Where is it? Euro NZD. Where are you? Yeah, Euro NZD. Open chart. Give it the template. And then we're going to create a new order. It's going to be a sell limit order. Entry price, stop loss. Where is my stop loss? This is my stop loss. Control C. My stop loss. Control C. Control V. And then take profit. Control C. Control V. And then place. Okay, perfect. So we are actually waiting for the market to retrace to this level, and then yeah, I'll just adjust it a bit. Okay, I think I used 0.01, which I shouldn't have, so I'm just going to copy the entry price and then create another one with 0.04, right? 0.04. Okay, and another sell limits price. I think I'll just use a different price so that they don't just lie on the same place. Or you know what, I'll just place it since I can actually modify them from here. So for stop loss, I'll copy the stop loss here, then come and paste it here and modify, and then I'll take profit, copy this one, and then come on, paste it here, modify, and then finally for this guy, I'm just going to delete the order. Perfect. So I'm risking about $26. and I am targeting about $55. So we're just going to wait for the market to retrace to this level and we enter for a sell. Okay, perfect. Now as you can see, I actually entered USD CHF again for a buy. Okay, and I came to discover that the market is forming this kind of pattern. Okay, so when I draw my trend line from here to here, touching this point and also this point, I now discover that the market is forming a triangular pattern. Okay, a triangle. Okay, so you see it came here, hit here, came and hit, and came here, and then came and hit here. So it's going to go up. It's most likely will go up. So even if I don't trade the breakouts, I am going to at least come out at a point like this, maybe somewhere like this. Okay, or at least not just come out like closing the trade, but at least I'm going to have my orders protected at this point. Okay, so that's why I entered a buy here again. And if you look at it, it's actually a Fibonacci level again when you take from here. Okay, yeah, so that's it for this one. So I'm just going to keep going through the charts to look for opportunities. When I see any opportunity, we will then enter. So you can see this guy Euro NZD, it's showing us that it wants to sell. Okay, but we are not going to fall for that. We are not going to sell. We're going to wait for it. Okay, we're going to wait for it. We're going to be disciplined and wait for it. Remember, patience is forex is all about discipline. Okay, we're going to be disciplined and wait for it to actually retrace. Okay, so we are kind of estimating the next movement, or the next movement of the market. So we are not trading the current movement, we are kind of estimating the next movement. So if it comes here, we know that from here it's going to go here. Okay, that's how we trade. We don't just rush into the market and then start buying and selling. Okay, some people just rush into the market and start buying and selling, and then they get hot because of that. But that's not what we are going to be doing. That's not what we do. We are going to wait for the market to retrace. We're going to wait for the market to retrace. Okay, so it's also possible that the market will trade maybe to this point. Okay, maybe to this point. Okay, maybe it will even go below the low of the previous day. That's below this place. It's also a good thing for me, because it's going to tell me that the market really wants to sell. Okay, it wants to sell for this present day because it has passed the previous day. Okay, so that's one thing I use to confirm whether the market will sell or not. Okay, so if it goes below here and it starts to retrace, it's going to be a good thing for me, because I will be looking to then draw my Fibonacci level probably from here to a place like this. Sorry, I have too many Fibonacci levels here. Okay, from here to probably a place like this. Okay, and it then means that my entry price will now be lower. So all I would then need to do is just adjust my entry price. That's my pending order. Okay, so that's all I would then need to do. Let me see, where is it? So that's all I would then need to do, just adjust my pending order. So now it's night in my place, so by the time I wake up in the morning, I will definitely see all that has happened here, and I'll see whether to adjust my entry price or to leave it at where it is. Okay, so let me just go to gold so we can see what happened. So you can see that the market came and broke our point, our orders. So it really went in our favor. You can see that it really went in our favor. Okay, we were selling at about this point. So it really came and went in our favor, and then even stopped us out in profit, right? Remember, it stopped us out in profit. That's why we were able to make $7.8, and then it's now started going against us. So the market has been very messed up. And I also told you that because of this inside bar here, I was skeptical about selling the market, right? So what, that's one of the points. So right now for gold, I will just kind of have an open mind. Okay, the market can go either way. It can keep buying or it can keep selling, or it can sell again. So if it will keep buying, let me just delete this guy here. So if it will keep buying, my targets might be this place. So it might maybe buy till this place. Okay, it might buy till this place, or maybe even till this place. So that's if it's going to keep buying. That's based on my own opinion. Okay, so if it's going to keep buying, I feel it's going to buy maybe till this point. Okay, at least till this point. But if not, it's going to maybe just come and keep hitting here and going down. Maybe just hit here and go down and maybe sell back. Okay, so that's my direction for this guy. So I'm not really trading gold again for now. I'm not entering any trade. I'm just going to wait and see what the market does. Okay, so I'm just going to wait and see what unfolds, and then I'll know my next decision after that. Yeah, so we just entered a trade on Euro NZD. We just entered placed a pending order, and that will be it for this one. I'm going to come back when we are I'm going to come back later, and probably by then the market will have retraced probably to this point, or maybe even retreat to the point of putting us in a trade. Right? Perfect.